Look at the size of this Chamaerops, folks. We know how to grow them very well here on Salt Spring Island. This is an absolutely beautiful specimen of a Mediterranean fan palm planted a few decades ago and growing like crazy. They love the autumn and winter months here, believe it or not. We're just about to mid-November, and it's looking pretty darn good, isn't it, Wendy? Look at the size of this thing. This is one of my favorite Chamaerops on Salt Spring Island. There's a lot of Chamaerops palms on Salt Spring Island, and this one here is a monster. Okay, I'm in here for scale. Look at the size of this, like the width of this thing. I mean, we can start from here and go 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, you know, what is it, 11 feet wide? Something like that. And there are some seeds in there, but looks like the squirrels or some of the rodents that might have got them. But anyway, this is for you Chamaerops lovers. That's why I'm shooting this video. And it ties in very well with the Trachycarpus fortunei. There's a big Butia in there. There's Trachycarpus wagnerianus. There's Yucca gloriosa. And it's mild down here, isn't it? You feel it down here. You can feel the difference. This is an amazing microclimate, and there's lots of places like this on Salt Spring Island. All right? Thanks for watching, folks. Like and subscribe for more videos here. There's Miss T shooting with her iPad. She can't get enough of the palms either. That's why I'm with that lady. She likes palms. If she didn't like palms, I wouldn't be with her. And vice versa. Thanks for watching. Cheers.